welcome back to Vox Nutrition. I wanted to show you a few of the changes that we've made in 2023. Some of our biggest changes that we've made is going to be in our printing department here at Vox. We've updated a lot of our printing department to have all of our small printers, but we've condensed that and added a new Epson printer. I'd like to show you some of that. This is our new Epson 6534 SurePress digital label press. This particular printer can do up to 4 million labels in 1 month. This is some of the test prints. We just got this up and running, so feel free to take a look at the quality. And with this printer, using UV light, between each color it actually pins each one of the colors as it runs through, and it can run up to 100 feet per minute. This year we completed setting up our R&D lab. As you can see, we now have our labeling department fully operational from the last time you guys seen us. We have 8 different labeling lines, can produce between 100 and 150,000 bottles a day in this department. As you can see, we've added a lot to our warehouse since the last time you've seen us. In 2023, we've added several different things. Number 1, we added a cardboard recycling program. And number 2, we've started the process of adding solar to our building, and that will be done in 2024. Let's take a quick stroll through our manufacturing area so you can see what we changed. We added a roll compactor, so if any products come in that don't hit the density we need, we can roll compact that to make sure we take care of our customers. All blenders are set up to where we can have super sacks underneath them. As we blend, we drop from the upper floor and blend and then drop it into our super sack. As mentioned before, all of our blenders are sized specifically for the super sack, so each blend goes into a super sack to help with efficiency and blend time. In 2023, we added a new ERP helping us with our blends, encapsulations, efficiencies, and clarity in what is happening in our facility. All 9 of our Bosch encapsulators are set up and have been run throughout the year. This is our gummy bottling room. We can fill all different sizes and types of gummies. In 2023, we found that we needed more capacity for organics and allergens. We're adding an additional room specifically for that. Next month, we'll be adding that wall for our additional capacity in allergens and organics. This year, we re-engineered the way that our powders and capsules are fed into our encapsulators downstairs with a hopper for both our capsules and our powders. As you can see from our last video, we've really started utilizing each one of our spaces. This year we added a stage in our auditorium, and we actually had a really great Christmas party just a few days ago. That wraps up our 1-year follow-up tour. Thanks for joining us.